back in the shop. Picking back up where we left off yesterday. The heads are done, so we're gonna get over here. We're gonna clearance those rods, get the pistons hung on them, get the rings on them, go up front, get that block on the stand finally, get up front and start assembling this thing. Let's get this done today. All right, let's go. Go time. I figured I'd share this with you. These rods, I've even washed them already. I don't know if you can really see it that well with the lighting in here, but it looks terrible. Like they've already been washed. This has went through the hot tank and it just looks terrible. It's actually like right in here. See if I can get some light on that. Get some light on that. You can kind of see it's all rusted up, and it's still got, I've already cleaned all of them except for these two. The bolts are nasty, the threads are nasty. I was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, I can't go size them looking like this and put these in the motor. So I'm polishing them up, and so it's gonna take me a little bit longer to get over there and actually start filming me putting the bearings in and sizing them and cleaning them, like actually cleaning the journals up. All right, but I'm gonna get back to polishing these last two and hopefully be over here now. Yep, lunchtime update. So everything's going pretty decently well. I'm at the point, I have already got the bearings clearance. I've already chose what rod each cylinder hole that the rod is going to go into, and all I gotta do is hang the pistons on them and we're ready to start assembling. About me a little lunch, give me a little pepper, and then I'll get back to work. All right, talk to you guys in a little bit. I figured this update I could do while doing a little work. So everything's hung the way it's supposed to be. Everything's going pretty smoothly today, which is rare. I can't remember the last time everything was going this well. But anyways, get ready to get this on the engine stand, get it up front, and then we'll start assembling. Well, I gotta check the main bearing clearances first, but outside of that, we're almost ready to start putting it together. I do not have the cam bearings in it yet. Let's go ahead and do that while we got it right here. There you go. Just sit down in that hole. Please. And I might go ahead and put the freeze plugs in too while I'm right here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alright, well, let's get back to a time lapse so this is so boring. So, end of the day check-in. Pretty tired at this point. But I just stopped my last camera of me clearancing the block to actually make sure the crank will fit and all that with the mains. Clearancing the main bearings is what I'm getting at. But anyways, as I went to go check on that and cut it off and put that camera in my truck so I can take it home and download it to my computer tonight, it was physically recording instead of time-lapsing, which is fine and dandy. I could use the footage if I didn't play like music in the shop, so it's all copyrighted and I can't use any audio. So I'd have like normal speed footage with no audio. that sounds terrible. I don't know how I'm gonna fit that in, but I'll try to figure out a way to fit that into this vlog. Damn, 40 minutes of like me moving everything up front. Like I had it sitting on the table and like it's just sitting there physically recording me moving every tool up front, everything I need for up there. Oh lordy, it is what it is. Anyway, got quite a bit done. I wanted to be assembling, but I'm officially assembling tomorrow. Like there is no more anything back here anymore. It's all putting it together at this point. Oh lordy. But I got the rings on the pistons, hung the pistons, clearanced the rods, clearanced the mains. What else did I do today? I feel like I did more than that. Oh yeah, I put the cam bearings in, the freeze plugs, got it mounted on a stand, moved it up front. I don't know, I don't remember. I think that's about it. Either way, I am done for the day. That was like a good solid 8 hours of, I sat down for maybe 30 minutes a day. Maybe. I ate. I did do that. But I had no interruptions really. I didn't have anybody really call today. I didn't have anybody show up, come by. So I had a very productive day. Hopefully tomorrow will be the same and I'll actually be done with this motor. Like I keep saying, tomorrow I'll have it done. Instead of that, it'll actually be tomorrow and done. Either way, I'll talk to you in the morning. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications and we will talk with you later. Whoosh.